Well, hello and welcome to our spring virtual Scholar Achievement Assembly. Today our scholars are going to be recognized for 3 various awards. They are as follows: Academic Excellence, Most Improved, and Virtual Success. Scholars receiving the Academic Excellence Award are those scholars who have risen to the occasion, completing assignments on time, and engaging in behaviors to help everyone achieve. Those who are most improved are scholars who have set goals and they have not only reached but exceeded those goals that they've set both for themselves and goals that were set by their classroom teacher. The virtual success are awards for our scholars who, during virtual days, they were always connecting online to their Google Meets live sessions as well as their small group appointments, as well as completing their assignments in the corresponding computer program software systems to support their reading and math instruction. I'm going to begin with the Academic Excellence Awards, and I'm going to call each classroom teacher as well as the scholar who is receiving an award for academic excellence. From Ms. Hess's class, Ari Ezel. From Ms. Newton's class, Colin Jones. From Mrs. Kirk's class, Jaden Owsley. From Mrs. Lee's class, Destiny House. Congratulations, Ari. Congratulations, Colin. Congratulations, Jaden. Congratulations, Destiny. From Mrs. Bunkley's class, Aylin Alvarez. Mrs. Cole's class, Drea Spencer. Miss Cranford's class, Brinley Avery. Miss Ike's class, Alec Engelbreth. Mrs. Whitaker's class, Lincoln Kurtz. Congratulations. Congratulations, Brinley. Congratulations, Alec. Very good. Mrs. Boatwright's class, Darrell Mayfield. Mrs. Chambers' class, Arias Jordan. Mrs. Edwards' class, Madison Walker. Mrs. Lewis's class, Landon Jackson. Mrs. Hendrickson's class, Harper Van Cura. Mrs. Kinsey's class, Caden Goins. Very good. Congratulations. Congratulations, Harper. Yes. Congratulations, Kate. Very good. Now for our scholars receiving our Most Improved Award. Miss Hess' class, Aurora Garcia. Miss Newton's class, Michael Hughes. Mrs. Kirk's class, Noah McAnally. Mrs. Lee's class, Jaden White. Congratulations. Good job, Michael. Noah, congratulations. Very good. Congratulations, Jaden. Mrs. Bunkley's class, Mackenzie Roberts. Mrs. Cole's class, Thomas Dean. Miss Cranford's class, Mariana Mendoza. Miss Ike's class, Cash McDaniel. Mrs. Whitaker's class, Corey Fox. Congratulations. Mariana, wave at the camera. Congratulations. Cash McDaniel and Corey Fox. That's Corey right there. Yeah. Corey, congratulations. Cash, congratulations. All right. Mrs. Boatwright's class, Aspen Johns. Mrs. Chambers' class, Cadence Brown. Mrs. Edwards' class, China Lee. Mrs. Lewis's class, Layla Bunch. Congratulations. Mrs. Hendrickson's class, Christian Sanders, and Mrs. Kinsey's class, Vashawn Chapman. Very good. Congratulations. That's Layla. That's Vashawn. Now for our Virtual Success Awards. Miss Hess' class, Jaden Lopez. Miss Newton's class, Braden Maxwell. Mrs. Kirk's class, Jakayla Perry. Mrs. Lee's class, Forever Yehola. Mrs. Bunkley's class, Jalea Perry. Congratulations. Yep. Very good. Very good, Forever. Very good. Mrs. Cole's class, Elijah Franklin. Miss Cranford's class, Remington Evans. Miss Ike's class, Peyton Owsley. Mrs. Whitaker's class, Jasmine Simmons. Mrs. Boatwright's class, Lanaya Turner. Wave at the camera, Remington. No, Lanaya. Mrs. Chambers' class, Malia Nicholson. Mrs. Edwards' class, Lexi Armstrong. No, that's Lexi. Mrs. Lewis's class, Allison McKenzie. Mrs. Hendrickson's class, Christian McKenzie. And Mrs. Kinsey's class, Noah Johnson. Congratulations. 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 Very good. Yes. Very good. And for our Character Student Award, our specials teachers have selected scholars who have been recognized for exhibiting great citizenship and our character traits that we have had over this past year leading to this point. And they are, for Miss Gina's class, Jasmine Watson, Mr. Johnson's class, China Lee, and Mrs. Wells' class, Lexi Armstrong. Congratulations. Yes, yes, yes. Very good. Very good, Lexi. Very good. As you will know, we are a community of scholars learning each and every day. I'd like to thank you for this opportunity, and please know all of our scholars will be having pizza with the principal here within the next week after spring break, and we will have that time to fellowship and further engage in celebratory measures as we continue to pave the way forward to academic excellence for each and every scholar. Have a great day, and we soar every day in every way. Take care.